Go Yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, let us express our thanks to the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving us the grace so that we can watch the presentation of material from Dubai. My name is Sadia Mahrini, who will serve as moderator in the discussion of signal transmission and gene transcription receptors.
Hello guys, we are from Group 1. We will do presentation about signal transmission and gene transcription receptors, thyroid receptors. My name is Angelina Putasari.
My name is Salsa Jilashmi Basawama.
My name is Arisma Hidayah.
My name is Ilya Sinta.
My name is Rezaida Septiana Putri.
My name is Amanda Rahma. So the first signal transmission, various internal signal are required for coordinating the expression of gene during development and for enabling the plant to respond to environmental signal. Such internal as well as external signaling agents typically bring about their effect by means of sequence of biochemical reaction called signal transmission pathway that generally amplify the original signal and ultimately result in the activation or repression of gene. Signal transduction is the process in which binding of an extracellular messenger to the cell surface receptor is translated into change in biochemistry, cell biology, and gene transcription that makes it possible for the cell to respond to information that was retrieved. Multicellular organisms use a large variety of molecules to carry information between cells, including amino acid derivative, peptides, proteins, steroids, prostaglandin, nucleoside, and nucleotides. Signal paths, there are 3 functions. One, intercellular signal are ensure that the same type of cell respond synchronously to a signal, and 2, intracellular signal are always involved in the genetic transcription process, and 3, intercellular signal play an important role in the coordination and regulation of cell division.
Signal path structure. Number 1, intercellular communication. This communication based on the generation of specific signal triggered by external trigger. Then the signal is amplified by the target cell and then transmitted and processed further with the help of an intracellular signal channel. Number 2, intracellular communication. Extracellular signal are stylized and received by a signal cell. Cell can receive signal in the form of chemical, electrical, optical, and other stimuli. The signal is received by a special protein, cell, and receptor. The receptor is traditionally used to indicate a cellular macromolecule or an ensemble of macromolecules specifically involved in regulation of endogenous chemical. Neurotransmitter, hormone, growth factor, autopods, and generation of homologic response. The term is also used to indicate the molecular target of drug, namely the macromolecule a drug is changing the function. The regulation of gene expression. A schematic overview the transfer of genetic information from the level of the nucleic acid sequence of a gene to the level of the amino acid sequence of a protein or to the unique nucleotide square of RNA is termed gene expression. The entry process of gene expression in eukaryotes include in the following steps: transcription, formation of a primitive transcript, the pre-mRNA, conversion of the pre-mRNA into the mature mRNA, includes processing, spleen, transport from the nucleus to the cytosol, translation, synthesis of the protein on the ribosome.
The expression of genes follows a tissue and cell-specific pattern, which determines the function and morphology of the cell. In addition, all development and differentiation events are characterized by a variable pattern of gene expression. The regulation of gene expression thus plays a central role in the development and function of an organism. Because of the multitude of individual processes which are involved in gene expression, there are many potential regulatory sites. Regulation of transcription. At the level of transcription, it can be determined whether a gene is transcribed at a given point in time. The chromatin structure plays an important role in this decision. Chromatin structures exist that can effectively inhibit transcription and shut down a gene. This silencing of genes can be transient or permanent and is generally observed in development and differentiation processes. The regulated transcription of gene requires, as an essential step, a reorganization and modification of the chromatin, which is a prerequisite for the initiation of transcription and is influenced by epigenetic changes in the DNA in the form of methylation of CTG residues. Description of steroid receptors. Steroid receptors, or SRS, are members of the nuclear hormonal receptor family, many of which are transcription factor regulated by ligand binding. SRS regulate various human physiological functions essential for maintenance of vital biological pathways, including development, reproduction, and metabolic homeostasis. Steroid hormones play critical roles in various target tissues regulating body homeostasis.
Steroid hormone receptor. 1. Steroid hormone receptor are proteins that have a binding site for a particular steroid molecule. 2. Steroid hormone receptor are found in the cytosol and also in the nucleus of target cell. 3. Steroid hormone receptor belong to the nuclear receptor family. 4. They are ligand activate protein that regulate transcription of select genes. 5. Their backbone elements are DNA sequences that are bound by the hormone receptor complex. Structure steroid receptor. 1. As all the steroid hormone are derived from cholesterol derivatives, structure is similar. Two, they contain three hexagonal carbon and pentagonal carbon linked to which a side chain is attached. Types of steroid hormone receptor: 1. Sex hormone receptor, estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor. 2. Adrenal hormone receptor, glucocorticoid receptor, mineralocorticoid receptor or aldosterone, androgen receptor. Sex hormone receptor: 1. Estrogen receptor. Estrogen are steroid hormone and are largely incorporated in ovary and testes. Estrogen employ brain effect mainly through cytosol estrogen receptor exciting in target tissues. Total production of steroid hormone in the brain and other tissues of importance is of intrinsic interest concerning control of numerous behavioral and physiological process from sexual behavior to break sex differentiation in a variety of species,
which initiate transcription of target gene resulting in conversion of proliferative endometrium to secretory endometrium in a estrogen-prime uterus. The physiological role of progesterone is primarily confined to the peri and post-ovulatory phase of the menstrual cycle and to pregnancy. In the menstrual cycle, progesterone is produced by the corpus luteum, beginning in the early post-ovulatory phase. Adrenal hormone receptor: 1. Glucocorticoid receptor. The glucocorticoid receptor is a member of the nuclear receptor family that controls many distinct gene networks, governing various aspects of development, metabolism, inflammation, and the stress response, as well as other physiological processes in the cardiovascular system. Recently, research in both animal models and humans has begun to unravel the profound complexity of glucocorticoid signaling and convincingly demonstrates that the glucocorticoid receptor has direct effect on the heart and especially in vivo and in vitro. 2. Mineralocorticoid receptor or aldosterone. The mineralocorticoid receptor is a type of hormone receptor involved in the receptor to mineralocorticoid, a class of steroid hormone. The main mineralocorticoid in the human body is aldosterone, which is produced by the adrenal glands. The main function of aldosterone is to regulate electrolyte balance and fluid volume in the body by influencing the reabsorption of sodium ion and the excretion of potassium ions in the kidneys. As mineralocorticoid hormones are synthesized in the body adrenal glands. However, Wittgen's research has impressed this possibly aldosterone use synthesis.
3. Androgen receptor. There are 2 native androgen in humans, testosterone and 5 individual testosterone. Testosterone is produced mainly in the testes, with a small amount being produced in the adrenal gland in men. Testosterone is converted to the more potent androgen dihydrotestosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reduced, located in the prostate skin spot. Both testosterone and dihydrotestosterone can bind to a single nuclear receptor protein, the androgen receptor, which is an androgen member, transcriptional activator, and a member of nuclear receptor supercommunity. Example of steroid receptor drug. 1. Oral contraceptive. Example of drug control pills contain steroid hormones such as estrogen and progesterone, which are steroid hormone receptor to prevent pregnancy. 2. Hormone replacement therapy. Used in menopausal women to replace hormones that are reduced in production. Example are estrogen and progesterone. 3. Anti-androgen drug. Used in the treatment of conditions such as hirsute or prostate cancer. Example of medication include spironolactone and glutamate. 4. Glucocorticoid. Used as anti-inflammatories and immunosuppressant. Example of medication include prednisone and dexamethasone.
That is presentation from Group 1. As a moderator, I apologize for any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.